Everyone. In this video, we are covering Rishikesh. We are now at Rishikesh, which is about 30 km from Haridwar. This is Rishikesh, what you are seeing now. There are two suspension bridges here. One is called Ram Jhula and the other is called Lakshman Jhula. What you are seeing here now is Ram Jhula. Lord Rama, after slaying Ravana, did Prashchit here at Rishikesh, or the repentance or atonement, which we call. So he did the repentance here at this place. Also, Lakshman, Lord Rama's brother, he actually crossed Ganga's here only. When Lord Rama was performing rites, Ganga's river bothered him. So Lakshman actually shot arrows and contained the river. After that, Ganga's became calm and smooth. In addition to this, Lakshman is said to have crossed the river with just two ropes. We are now at Shivananda Ashram. Swami Shivananda's ashram are present throughout India, and Rishikesh is the main Shivananda ashram where they are headquartered actually. So this is the main headquarter of Swami Shivananda ashram. This is a very old ashram and also very good. Swami Sivananda has a connection with our Sai Baba. His Holiness Sri Swami Sivananda, founder of Divine Life Society, has written forward in the book Life of Sai Baba by Pujya Sri Narsimha Swamiji. Swami Sivananda starts the forward with Sri Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai, and also says that Samarth Sadguru Sai Baba illumined this earth in the latter part of the 19th century and the first 2 decades of the 20th century. The tiny village of Shirdi was the blessed spot in which he lived his saintly life of Tyaga and Seva. Sai Baba has sanctified and rendered Shirdi as one of the holiest places upon earth. Rishikesh is very ancient and a holy city which has many temples. Rishikesh also is considered the yoga capital of the world. For attaining moksha, people perform yoga on the banks of the Gangas. We are now at Nilakantha Mahadeva temple. This is an ancient Shiva temple. Lord Shiva himself installed the linga here. The linga is under Bilva or Vilva tree. This tree is also known as golden apple or stone apple tree in English. The temple is built in Tamil Nadu style. You can see the Gopura and the Kalasa, and it is actually similar to the Gopuras in Tamil Nadu. Shivratri is an important time here. This place will be very crowded in Shivratri. Lord Shiva grants all our wishes here on that day. This place actually has a link to Samudra Manthan. Devas and Asuras churned the Kshira Sagar or Milky Ocean. When halahal vish or poison came out, they actually prayed to Shiva. Lord Shiva swallowed poison here and kept the poison in his throat. His throat turned blue. Hence, Lord Shiva is called Nilakantha. This is the Garbhagraha of the temple. This is an important temple as Lord Shiva himself installed the linga here. We are now seeing the linga. Ganga Aarti happens at Rishikesh also every day after sunset. We are going to the Aarti. We came here in the month of May starting with Haridwar. We are now at Rishikesh and the next will be Kedarnath now from here tomorrow. As mentioned earlier, Radhakrishna Mai did Char Dham Yatra before coming to Shirdi. She visited Haridwar, Rishikesh, Kedarnath and Badrinath. We started this yatra to actually honor her memory, and we are blessed to have completed this. There are several important temples and places to see here. This is a very ancient place. At the beginning of the video, we showed a board which gives the direction and distance to the places to see around here. We are now seeing Ganga Aarti. The feeling is really very nice. As you can see, it's like a mass people singing together, the entire crowd, which is very, very positive. Also, as we mentioned earlier, performing yoga on the banks of Ganga river gives mukti. Ganga starts at Himalaya at Gangotri. Till here, Ganga flows through hills and the flow is turbulent. The flow of Ganga is smooth, straight, and easy from here, as it is plains. Another reason also is because of Lakshman's arrow, which slowed down the Ganga river and enabled Lord Rama to complete the rites, as we mentioned earlier. Please do come and visit this place as a pilgrim. Thanks for watching the video. Om Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram.
Hare